Good morning students, standard 10. Today we are going to complete chapter 3 also. Okay. Now we started with the early nationalist, and in early nationalist you studied about the demands, the programs and the demands of the early nationalists, and these early nationalists were also called moderates. Now today in this chapter, as per your new syllabus, we have to do only the contributions. Now contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji, contribution of Surendranath Banerjee and contribution of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. They were the moderate leaders, the early nationalist leaders. Now Dadabhai, as per your examination, you have to learn 2 points only, but here are some short questions. Like Dadabhai Naoroji, he was also known as Grand Old Man of India. So you have a question, who was known as a Grand Old Man? Then Dadabhai Naoroji. This is not a contribution, this is about him, that he was also known as Grand Old Man of India. The next contribution, he started a magazine, Dharma Marg Darshak. This is the contribution. This is the contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji, that he started a magazine. The name of the magazine was Dharma Marg Darshak. The second contribution which you have to remember is East India Association. This was taught to you previously also, that he founded a party which was known as East India Association. Then Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. This was the book written by him, and in this book he explained the drain theory of the British government. He explained the drain theory of the British government in which book? This is Poverty and Un-British Rule in India. So this is about Dadabhai Naoroji, Grand Old Man of India, started a magazine, name of the magazine Dharma Marg Darshak, founded East India Association, and in a book Poverty and Un-British Rule in India he gave the drain theory. The next we have Surendranath Banerjee. Okay. Founded Indian Association, opposed Minto Morley reform. Okay, so only 2 I have given because as per, it's not that only these 2 only is a contribution, there are much more contributions. But for your examination, you have to learn these 2, and this can be learned as a separate question also. The next you have Gopal Krishna Gokhale, established Servants of India Society. Contribution. This is the contribution of Gopal Krishna Gokhale, that he established Servants of India Society. He aroused national consciousness among the people. Okay. He opposed Lord Curzon for the division of Bengal. So these are the contribution of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. So here you have to remember that Servant of India Society started by Gopal Krishna Gokhale, aroused national consciousness. He opposed Lord Curzon for the division of Bengal. So these are the things which you have to learn in this. So in this particular chapter, you have to only, as per the revised syllabus, you have to learn the programs and demands of the early nationalists and the contribution of Dadabhai Naoroji, contribution of Surendranath Banerjee and contribution of Gopal Krishna Gokhale. And we completed the chapter. Thank you.